In this video, we will show you how to protect Microsoft Word documents from editing or copying by strange people. This method is useful if you don't want anyone to edit or copying, for example, from your scientific work. In here, to protect your Word documents, you can click Review tab and select Restrict Editing. And you need to tick the editing restriction, and you must select fill in form in here because there is 4 options. You need to change to filling in forms. Then click the yes, start enforcing protection. After that, type your password and click OK. Now anyone in here cannot copy, edit, or etc. Okay, you can see here. I will put on screen keyboard if you don't believe. You can see I will type anything in here. Okay, it cannot edit. We can also, and we also cannot copy anything in here. After that, we can stop protection by clicking this and type our password again. Now if don't protect, you can see we can copy anything and edit anything in here. But if you want just to protect again, you can click yes, start enforcing protection and click OK. After that, you can share with anyone you want to have this document without editing. Hope this video helpful for you.